Hey everyone, if you're looking to dive into the world of artificial intelligence but don't know where to start, then let me hit you with some exciting news. You can learn AI for free with YUVA AI for All course and get a certificate too. Let me break it down for you. This course is in partnership with India AI Mission and it gives you 4 hours of video lessons, and the best part, it's a self-paced so that you can learn at your own speed. Whether you are just starting out or looking to brush upon AI, this course is perfect for you. And guess what? You will get a completion certificate at the end to show off on LinkedIn. Now, what's covered? In just 4 hours, you will cover some super important topics like what is artificial intelligence, the technology behind AI, then how to use AI to think and plan. After that, we will learn about AI ethics because responsible AI is a must. Plus, you will learn promoting skills and frameworks like Craft and Fast to make AI work for you. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to take on the world of AI with confidence first, and you will have a strong grasp on the foundations of AI, giving you the knowledge you need to dive deeper into this game-changing technology. Then we will teach you how to use effective prompting principles, which is a key skill to make AI work for you in the best possible way. We'll also talk about responsible AI, helping you think critically about its impact on the world and how to use it ethically. And the best part, you will have the confidence to apply AI in the real world situations. So whether it's for your personal projects or your career goal, who should take this course? This course is perfect for AI enthusiasts, freshers, students, and recent graduates who want to get a solid introduction to AI. Whether you are looking to break into the tech world or just curious about how AI works, this course is for you. And why this course is special? Because this course is different. Not only it does teach you the core of AI concepts, but it also dives into Indian examples and real-life applications. That means you'll be able to relate and apply what you learn to the real-world problems. And let's not forget, responsible AI is a big part of this course. Make sure we use technology the right way. If you're ready to get started, click the link in my bio to enroll in free YUVA AI for All course today. You'll get 90 days of access and a free certificate, and you'll be on your way to mastering AI. Let's start this AI journey and don't miss out. Sign up now. Let's get started.